Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I'm Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. And what you're going to watch today is a combination exercises of leg and shoulders. We are going to do approximately about 5 exercises of leg and shoulder combination, and then we'll have, instead of 2 ab exercises, we are going to have 3 ab exercises consecutive. So totally, like any day, 8 exercises continuous. Watch it till the end and you will burn a lot of calories because you're using one part on the bottom side, okay, your sagittal plane, the lower half of the sagittal plane, and one on the upper half. So your heart is going to work twice as much to pump blood. It is a cardio, it's a muscle cardio, but then we are using it as an hypertrophy. They have not loaded weights till now. They're using light weights for the first exercise. We let them be, and then we'll push it. Using, again, you're going to carry the dumbbells throughout. So what I want you to do is, I've already taught you how to do the squat properly, so I'm going to tell you. So if you're going to stand straight, you're going to keep your feet straight. Then as it goes wide, so you're going to trace, your knee is going to trace the toe. Okay, so stand at a moderate shoulder width and then hold it on the top and go down all the way and up and press. Okay, so there is a newbie with us. You would have seen him in the video, so you're going to watch him again. So for him, this is the exercise which we're doing, and for the rest of them, okay, so what you're going to do is staggered squat. So step slightly wide, okay, and step one toe, the toe is behind the heel, and then go down, step down, up. Can you raise the heel a bit, but try to give the ankle flexion a maximum flexion and press. Keep pressing. Okay, what you're going to do is 15 into 4 because you're going to change the leg each time. All right? Here, the next exercise. All right, what we're going to do is again 4 sets of lunge and with the shoulder combination. So what we're going to do is this. Okay, take the dumbbell, okay, bring your leg behind and down, up. Pause a bit before you come up. Alternate the legs, go straight 10 into 4 non-stop, and it is amazingly, excruciatingly tough. Start doing it now. Okay, the next exercise, all right, our favorite. Okay, so we're going to repeat that again. We've done it several times and we're going to do that again. Now, hold the dumbbell on top. Okay, so take a lighter dumbbell this time. I'm just giving you a hint of what is going to happen. Now, you're going to do the lunge again. Okay, so what you're going to do is go back. But this time, I don't want you to bring the knees down, but keep it up. Okay, keep your core tight, chest up. Then lean your chest forward like that and then press up. Okay, so count. So like that. So you're going to do 15 into 4. Your rear delts is going to burn. Okay, so slightly lesser weight than what you can do normally, and start pushing it. The next exercise is going to be a sumo squat. It's a way easier exercise than all the lot which we did. So what you're going to do is spread your legs in a sumo squat. Come up, your toe follows the knee, and then rise up and come back down. Rise up, come back down. So you're going to do 15 into 4, and it's an intense workout, but it's less intense than all the exercises which you did, and the last one which you're going to do as well, right? Alright guys, the next exercise, squat full, okay? Get your hand crossed and then rise up and tuck in. Come back down, up, okay? This is what you're going to do. 10 into 4, okay? It's a pretty intense exercise. Use a moderate weight. Don't take it too light or too heavy. Go on for 10 into 4 and burn. You know what I'm going to say, right? If you're watching till now, share, like, subscribe, and ask questions. If you have anything related to fitness or nutrition, just write to us. Okay, and the WhatsApp is there, 8122114477, and write to that and you'll get an answer. Alright guys, I told you the 5 exercises are done. Now we have 3 more ab exercises to go. So we're going to bring this in. Okay, so the first exercise is going to be, you're going to take your leg behind. So I'm going to stand in an angle now. So you're going to take this leg behind and turn and up, turn and up, turn and up. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. When you come up, keep the plate at your chest height and bring it to your hip height when you turn, and up, back again. So every time you stand. So 3 sets of 15 is what you're going to do. All right. The next one, okay? So what you're going to do is take your hand up, bring it down, turn, turn. Do one side like that, okay? And finish it off, then the other side. So you're going to do 4 sets of that. Axing is what you're going to do. So cross axing on each side. So 4 sets, 2 sets on each side, and you axe continuously for 20 reps. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. So what you're going to do is just move this up and turn, up, turn. Crunch your abs in the side when you bring your plate down. Crunch it and up. So release it and crunch it. Release it and crunch it. That's what you're going to do next. All right. Thanks for watching till the end. And like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. And ask any questions you have doubts about in fitness. Thank you.